Getting the message, your account cannot be created at this time when trying to create a new Apple ID? Here's how to fix it, step by step. First, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. If you're on Wi-Fi and it's acting slow, switch to mobile data. If you're already using data, try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network. Poor or unstable connections are one of the most common reasons for this error. Next, disable any VPN you might be using. VPNs can block communication with Apple's servers by hiding your real location. To turn it off, go to Settings, scroll to VPN, and disconnect it. Once it's off, try creating your Apple ID again. Still not working? Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. Updates often fix bugs that can block account creation. Now check your date and time settings. Go to General, then Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect time settings can cause connection errors with Apple's servers. If none of that works, try resetting all settings. Open Settings, tap General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. This won't delete your apps or personal data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi networks, Face ID, and privacy settings. You'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Once that's done, open Safari and go to appleid.apple.com. Tap Sign In, then select Create Your Apple ID. Fill out your name, birthday, email, and password, then complete the verification steps. You should now be able to create your Apple ID without any errors. Follow for more quick Apple fixes.